welcome back. Welcome back to another bagging unboxing. Finally it's here. It's my DP with sparklers order. Came all the way from America. I placed the order on the... in the meantime I'll get into this. I placed the order on the... I completely lost my thought there. I placed the order on the 23rd of January. Jeez, that took a long time. 23rd of January, and I received it today, which is the 5th of March. So it took longer than a month. I guess I'm spoiled because I'm not used to that anymore. And also, this is my first order ever from outside of the Netherlands or Europe that I got customs charges on. So I had to pick it up at the post office because there was custom charges on it. And I had to pay extra. So I did have to pay 19 euros and 27 cents, I think. Yeah, extra for this order. And I can't really remember if it's on here. Yeah, it was like a 36 US dollar order. I can't remember what the conversion to euros is, but I will find out and I will put it on the screen how much euro it was. And you know, then you can count the 19 euros and 27 cents with it. And that's how much this order cost. So it did cost more than I thought it would. But that's fine. I wanted to try them out. I don't think I'm gonna order anytime soon again from them. But I wanted to try it out because I heard so many good stories. There we go. So, if you don't know, DP with sparklers. From Tima, or Tina Burney as she's called. She sells ABs, AB diamonds. Comes in this nice little package. I'm gonna check. My address is on here. We have some stickers. You know, I love my stickers. And she has a thank you. Yeah. January the 23rd. It's been a while, but I'm happy it's finally here. So I got some nice stickers. So I got the sticker of her logo. Very nice. Also a bit of AB coating on there. It says sparklers. And we got a very nice diamond with kind of like an Aurora Borealis look in it. It's very cool. Very nice, big stickers. Always appreciated. And this is my big order. I placed a lot at once because I was like, well, it has to come out of America. So I better get as much as I can for my future projects and some that I thought I would use anyways. So it comes in this nice little baggie. Also, I forgot to take my white big boat with me, my big white tray with me to this room, which I plan to do because I wanted to use that to show you the AB drills, of course. But I haven't. But I have another tray here, but it's just not the white tray. Let me see. I think these are all the square ones I got. So let's get those out of the way for now. Let's look at the round ones first. So I got 6 packets of round... oh no, there's a square one in here. Oh, this is also a square. I got a lot of square. I only got a few rounds. So the rounds that I got, I'm gonna zoom you guys in, is 939, because I was like, we can jazz up the background of Vera that I got from Diamond Art Club with a bit more sparkle. And if you get the darker colors like the black or the 939, the very dark blue, it will look like this. It will look like not really black anymore, but you get, or dark, let's say it like that. But you get the very nice shiny coating on it. That's pretty awesome. So that's 939. Next up, 819. Oh, I always love this color. I'll put them in a tray after. This is pretty, and this is in a lot of paintings, this color. So I was like, I could definitely use this. I don't have this specific in mind as of right now, but this is just pretty. It can go in any painting. I have, just checking if the bag was closed, 891. It's a very nice red kind of color. I can't remember specifically where I bought this for anymore, but I do think it was specifically for a canvas. And if I look into my app, I will probably remember. But that's pretty cool. And they're pretty filled back as well. You get enough. And 550. Everyone's favorite purple color, I guess. Oh, that's pretty as well. Very pretty. I chose this color because, as I said, 550 is also in a lot of paintings, so I knew it would come in handy. And purple is a color you like to, you know, jazz stuff up with a lot. Let's move on to the squares. I have 741. As you can see, it says SQ, which stands for square, so that's the way we know. Of course, we know by looking at them. Just zoom you in a bit more, because these are squares. So this is like more of an orange color. And I think I also bought this for the fish in my DIY Moonshop painting. And for At Peace from Diamond Art Club, which only had one AB. And I think it could use some more. But this is a very nice orange color. I have some more orange. 947. So this is a darker orange. And there's one in there. Oh no. This one, these are packed tighter together, so we can see those better in the tray later on. I also have a yellow 3078. Very pretty. I love my yellow ABs. I do. Very cool. I have 819. We saw that in round, but I also got it in squares. Because, as I said, it's a common color. I felt like it could come in handy at any time. So yeah, very nice. I actually have the white AB, the 5200, because they didn't have 3865, which is in a lot of paintings, but I think you can substitute with this white one. So, very nice. I have a darker color, 3750, which is more like the 939 we saw before, but this one is actually more blue on the backing, as you can see, of the drills. So it's a bluer color, so it's pretty. It resembles the natural color more. I have 666. Yeah. It's also a very popular DMC code. And it's a pretty AB, let me say that. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty awesome. And 820, because if you follow me longer than today, you know a lot of my paintings has 820 or 823, and I think they're pretty close together. So I have that color a lot in a lot of my paintings, so I thought why not get ABs for it, so I can spice it up in some of them. So I got the square ones. Oh, they're so pretty. This might even be prettier than the ones I just showed you, like the 3750. Look, you can see the difference here. And we have the 939. Let's put them all together. You can see that's the darkest. Then this, and then this is more a blue. That's awesome. So let me get a tray out. This is my shiny Shatta tray that I unboxed recently. It's very nice, very cute as well. I'm not sure you're gonna see the ABs very well, but we'll see. I'm not sure I'm gonna open all the bags up. But let's get some of these white ones out first. To see how they are. The square ones, of course. Yeah, I'm just gonna flicker it around so you can see. They line up pretty nice. And they're very shiny. Very nice. I'm just looking at them myself, just to be sure. Awesome. Now the hard part. Use the funnel to get it back in. I guess that's the easiest part. I just discovered a trick from my friend Ashley, Girls and Drills. She thought, she didn't know what this tool was, and she said she thought it was a scraper for her tray, and I was like, that's a good idea. I know it's not meant to be that. I know it's meant to be a straightener tool. So if you're watching Ashley, it's a straightening tool. But I like this more because I never really use this tool to straighten. But to get these drills all in one corner, I found it very effective. Although not all of them want to come with. To do it this way so that they're all already in this side of the tray. And it's easier to pour them back in. They're not staticky. That's also a good sign. Well, I'm saying that they're all stuck in this funnel now. Even though I just said they're not staticky, but they want to stay in this funnel, I guess. That's cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna get all these ABs in the tray. I'm not gonna pour them all. I'm gonna do the one that was hard to see next from the squares, and then I will do one of the round ones. And the rest we will see when we get to it in a painting. I think this one was... Yeah, this one was hard to see. One of the orange ones. Oh god, the lighting is kind of bad. I'm sorry, it's night already. Wow, because I had to go to the post office to get it. Because I had to pay custom charges. I could only go after 5 because my work was done after 5. And then when I got back, I needed to, you know, of course, eat first. My dinner. And now it was time to film. But then it's dark already, so I don't have the natural light. And this color is not working well for that. Damn, it's hard to see. Because this tray as well is also orange. It fits the tray, but damn. I'm like... It's not really doing well for me on camera. I'm sorry. It's very pretty, I can say you that, but it's hard to see. On video anyways, ABs I think are hard to see in videos anyways, but with this tray and this lighting, it just made it worse, I guess. So I'm gonna use this scraper again, or this straightener that I use as a scraper now. Thanks Ashley, that was a very good idea. I never thought about that myself. So all props go to her. Yeah, let's get it back in. think everything is out. I have to check extra good because, you know, it was orange as well. As you can see, there's still a lot stuck in here. Don't want to go in immediately, so there is some static. Guess that's because of the baggies, so that's fine. But I'm so happy to have all these ABs. I'm really growing fond of ABs and want to put them in paintings that I don't actually have ABs with, or if I think they can use some extras. And of course I'm collecting my leftover ABs from Diamond Art Club. But the problem with that is I have to complete them first before I have leftovers and before I get through any of them. Will be a year later or maybe even longer. So it will take too long. It will take too long. Okay, so which color of the round ones should we do? I think the 939 would be cool to see the effect of the darker color and their AB. That's gonna be the last one. And then I'm gonna, oh geez, end this video. I will of course link her shop and her Instagram down below so you can check her out. If you're in America, I think it's way easier to order than here in Europe. But you can order in Europe. You just have to, you know, or keep the amount low enough that you don't have to pay custom charges, or just, you know that beforehand. So that's why I'm warning you. So they are good quality and they are very pretty. So if you want them, you can order them. But if you're in Europe, or at least in the Netherlands, you have to take that in consideration, that there might be custom charges on it. And it takes a bit longer than like Diamond Art Club would with their kits. So, oh, this is so pretty. These are very shiny here in the camera. Like, so much better than the last one I showed you. This is awesome. I think I will definitely use that in Vera or somewhere else if I want to. But 939 is in a lot of kits, so I will be fine by using that if I want to. Where did the bag go? Here, the bag. Oops, there's still one in here that didn't want to go in my other one. So that's, I guess, the video for now. I will get to a painting where I use this. I of course will mention it. And we can take a closer look at them, at least at my Instagram, of course. But I want to thank you all for watching. I'm happy it's got here safely, and I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and a little bit of showing you the drills in person. Let me just tell me what's your favorite AB color. Could be Diamond Art Club, could be any other, maybe even Diamond Dots or Dreamer Designs or anyone, or just like the regular DMC code. Please let me know what your favorite AB color is. But I'm gonna end it here right now. I'll put them all on screen, I guess. Zoom you guys out a bit more. This is actually quite a lot. So I guess why I got custom charges, I know now. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!